Good morning. I am Mark Osorio. I am here to discuss about the reproductive strategy of dolphins. Dolphin mating background. Imagine a beautiful ocean scene with dolphins jumping and playing. Doesn't it look great? Under the water. However, there is a dolphin, dark side, mating. Oftentimes, this process is far from beautiful. At least from the human perspective, sometimes gangs of male dolphins will team up to steal females from other groups, while other times females will chase off the male gangs. Sometimes female dolphins are even attacked by male dolphins. This lesson will explore the ins and outs of cetacean mating, or when dolphins whales or porpoises come together with the purpose of producing offspring. While this lesson will focus on dolphins, porpoises and whales will be mentioned too. There are over 40 species of dolphin and, like you, they are all mammals. This means they give live birth and don't lay eggs. And also like you, dolphins are social creatures and often live in bands or groups. Before we get into the weird and funky aspect of dolphin mating, let's start with some basics. Dolphin reproduction. The age of sexual maturity varies depending on the species of dolphin and where the dolphin resides. Generally, females reach sexual maturity between 5 and 13 years of age, and males reach maturity between 10 and 14. Dolphins are polygamous, meaning they have more than one mate. Mating occurs throughout the year, but in some regions, it spikes in the fall and the spring, depending on the species of dolphin. Females can be pregnant from 9 to 17 months. For example, the bottlenose dolphin is pregnant for 12 months, whereas the killer whale, or orca, which is actually a type of dolphin, is pregnant for around 17 months. Imagine carrying a baby for that long. After giving birth, the mother pushes the baby, called a calf, to the surface so it can breathe. The calf nurses drinks milk from the mother for up to 2 years, depending on the species. Females usually have one calf every 3 to 5 years, and each calf may stay with its mother for 5 years. Dolphin mating practices. So how do dolphins get to reproduction? Male dolphins try to woo females in a variety of ways. A male may sing to his love interest, bring her gifts, and even perform acrobatic maneuvers to win her attention. If there are multiple suitors, males will even fight with each other to see who gets to mate with the female. Unfortunately, for the females, sometimes males from gangs that kidnap females from other pods. One or more of the females in the gang will try to mate with the female. And if she refuses, she often attacks. On occasion, female groups are able to chase the males away. When dolphins do mate, each mating only takes about 10 seconds, but it can be repeated several times over the next few days, or even within an hour. Dolphins mate belly to belly, and after the mating, the male leaves to find a new mate. Females are left to raise the calf without the male. Contrasting relatedness patterns in bottlenose dolphins with different alliance strategies. Michael Crutzen, William B. Sherwin, Richard C. Connor, Len M. Barre, Tom Van de Castille, Janet Mann, and Robert Brooks was published on March 7, 2003. Male bottlenose dolphins in Shark Bay have one of the most complex male societies outside humans. Two broad mating strategies have been identified in males. In the first strategy, there are two types of alliances: stable first-order pairs and trios that herd individual females in reproductive condition. And second-order team of two first-order alliances, 5 or 6 individuals that join forces against rivals in the contest for females. In the alternative strategy, a super alliance of CA, 14 individuals, males from pairs or trios to herd females. But in contrast to the stable alliances, these pairs and trios are highly labile. Here, we show the males stable first-order alliances and that derived second-order alliances are often strongly related, so that they may gain inclusive fitness benefits from alliance membership. By contrast, members of the super alliance are no more closely related than expected by chance. Further, the strength of the association of alliance partners with the super alliance, as measured by an index of joint participation in consorting a female, was not correlated with the genetic relatedness. Thus, within one population and one sex, it appears that there may be simultaneous operation of more than one mode of group formation. To better understand, let's watch this video.